how do you communicate with these people na uh, who are trying to project the work o yung Opus Dei as an elitist society, pangmayaman lang yan, it's a closed group, yeah.
Pero na sinanong ko rin yan sa one of the members, oh, do you really believe that Opus Dei members are rich elitists? Alam mo, napahiya ako minsan, sinama kami. Sabi niya, yan, tanong mo, member ng Opus Dei yan. He is a jeepney driver. They attend recollection, monthly recollection. Because Opus Dei teaches you to be serious with your faith. So how do you answer this? Siya na sumagot, yung pinakilala. Alam mo, ito sasabihin ko sa'yo. Nang una akong sumali sa Opus Dei, akala ko lahat ang member ng Opus Dei jeepney driver,